channel. It's me, Bea. So for today's video, we're here in Yerevan, Armenia to spend holidays. For those who don't know where Armenia is, I've done my research and Armenia is a landlocked country in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia, the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia. Here in Armenia, they have 4 seasons: spring, winter, summer, and autumn. You'll experience here 4 types of weather throughout the year. And right now, it's 3 degrees outside. So our agenda today is to go to grocery and buy some foods. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm just wearing sweatshirt going to the market. But don't worry, I'm wearing heat tech inside. La, super ganda ng view. Look at the view. Ganda ng tambayan dito. Nakabook pala kami sa Hill Guest House. Kung gusto nyo ng ganitong view. We have Mother Armenia. That one. We're just waiting for our Yandex. Hey. Hi guys! This is our second day today! And last night, umulan ng snow. That's why cover na siya ng snow ngayon yung view natin. Unlike yesterday morning. So today we don't have any itinerary. Picture taking lang kami dito kasi ang ganda ng view. Look, ilang degrees? -2! If you remember sa Shimbulak before, -2 rin. Sarap mag-emote-emote! I'll teach you some Armenian language. The basic one, Bareb. What's the meaning of Bareb?
Hello.
Hello. Bareb, hello. And then, if you respond, Bareb says, like, hello there, panis. Yandex pala is like Uber or Grab here in Armenia. Hello guys, third day. Third day today and pupunta kami ng Republic Square. Kasi may gusto akong kainan doon malapit sa Republic Square. Lamajo. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Masarap yun! And right now, nag-snowfall. Parang kailangan ko nang mag-jacket. Parang hindi tama tong outfit na to. Hindi ako nilalamig. Tama naninigang ko tong outfit na to. Nandito na kami sa Republic Square. Uy, alam mo, bagyo na ata to. Ano yung jacket? Magja-jacket na ako. Nakakainis. Wala na, laban na to. Ganda. Merry Christmas, everyone! Sabi ko, di ba papunta na tayo ng Lamajo restaurant? Pero may nakita pa akong pupuntahan doon. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see what is happening here. White Christmas. Chocolate. Yeah. Okay guys, we are now walking in the street of North Ave. We are heading to Lamajo restaurant. Okay guys, nandito na kami. Tun Lamajo pala. Hello guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Tun Lamajo. Bandaming tao, walang may upuan. Yung Lamajo nila with cheese, 1,400 AMD. Kenkali for 300 AMD. And then pag fried, 380. Okay guys, our Kenkali is here. Actually, para siyang malaking siomai, pero nakalimutan ko kung anong laman niya eh. Search ko kung anong laman niya. Hindi ko alam kung pork or beef. Oh, Lamajo. Sobrang laki. Tignan mo. Okay, kakainin ko siya. Squeeze the lemon first. Hello guys. Di ko alam kung pang ilang day na to. Magtutour kami today. And sasama kayo. And -8 ngayon. Guys, -8. So, sana kayanin mamaya. Bye! See you later! Nandito kami ngayon sa monastery. Super
kapal.
Wala, last na pala ko.
Ganda, kumikina.
Oo nga eh.
8, how much 8? 8? 8.
Magsinti tayong kandila. Sobrang lakas ng hangin! Sobrang lalim din ng snow.
Yung tuhod na oh.
Yay!
Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Armenian alphabet.
May letter B ba ang Armenian alphabet? B.
Bravo, letter B.
Sinong may letter B po?
Siya po.
B. Bravo?
Wala yung nasa kaliwa nitong tatlo.
Eto.
Bravo.
Ito? Ay, yung sa likod? Ay, nasa likod.
Ah, yun yung B. Grabe, sobrang taas ng snow, no? Ah, ito, ang B. Hala, sobrang lalim. Okay, tama na yan. Punta na natin yung ibang letters. Nakuha mo na yung N. Hello, nandito kami sa Myler Mountain Resort. Magki-cable car kami.
This is for who take 473 plus age.
Age for...
This is for who will be in war, in Armenian war. Now you need to pay 5,000 drams for one each.
Okay, for cable car.
The open cable car, it costs 4,000.
Ito na lang tayo.
You up like here. But for 5,000 drams, you up automatically 2,850 liters.
Ito na lang yung Angeline.
Angeline.
Oo.
Okay, Angeline. Go kay Angeline.
One for
Bilis!
Ay, pwede pala dito lang eh.
Kaya nga, dito lang naman ang SK eh. Kung
Gusto na pala.
kailangan may instructor ka sa taas.
Wow! Okay guys, nandito na kami sa taas ng Myler. And may restaurant dito, kakain kami. Ano ka na? Lamig. Uy, nagpuputo ka na!
Talaga kita yung cardboard.
Happy New Year!